Recurring decimals in number system concept. So let me show you one example. For example, 20 divided by 3. So what is recurring decimal? So if we take 20 divided by 3, then 3 times table, 3 6 18, and if we subtract 2, keep 0 and point, again 3 times 6 is 18 and subtract it is 2, 1 0. If you do division, it will be continuous. So that means 6.666 is repeating. So 6.6 bar, we can say it as, the meaning of this is the particular digit is repeating infinite times. So 6.6 bar is 28 by 3. If you know fractions, we can convert into this recurring decimals. Now the method is changing recurring decimals into the fractions. So how to do? So we get some questions based on this. For example, 0.444 so on. So this is 0.4 bar. To convert this into the fractions, just take this number without point, without bar, then divided by how many digits are repeating after 0? Only one digit. So 19 you can keep. So same way, one more example. Okay, 0.4747 so on. That means 0.47 bar. 47 is repeating, no? Take that 47 divided by 2 digits are repeating, no? 2 nines you can keep. Okay. Same method. Let us take another example. So for example, 0.512 bar is on 512. So you can take 512 divided by 999. So other than this, now only repeating particular value. For example, 0. Let me take 43. Only 3 is repeating. 0.4333. So that means you just to take that number without point is 43, right? Minus which is repeating, that you can subtract here. Now other than this, so without point, without bar, you should write the number first, minus which is the non-recurring number, so which is not repeating 4. Subtract that 4 divided by how many digits are repeating? Only one digit. So 19 you have to keep. How many are non-repeating? That many zeros you have to keep. 43 minus 4 divided by 90. So 39 divided by 90 is answer. You can simplify and do division. You get 0.4333 so on. And let me show you a few more examples. It will be clear for you. Okay, for example, question 5, 0.3216. So bar is only on 16. So this means 3216 minus which is not repeating is 32. Subtract that divided by how many digits are repeating? 2, no? Only 1 and 6. So 2 nines, and which are not repeating these 2. So 2 zeros. You'll get the answer. 3184 divided by 9900 is answer for this. Okay. Same pattern you can apply anything question. Now same way previous one. 6.6 bar. So we got 20 by 3, right? That means according to this we should take this as just 6 plus 0.6 bar. 6.6 bar means 6 plus something. So 6 plus 0.6. So 6 plus 6 by 9. One digit is repeating. So 6 plus 6 by 9 is obviously this 20 by 3. You can do division. You can 2 times 3. 6 plus 2 by 3 by 1. So 20 divided by 3. Right. So this is the way we can do. Now the questions, if you observe in these problems, let give the questions like this, like solve. Let me show you one problem. Now 7.53 is repeating, plus 6.04, okay, 04 is repeating, minus 3.24, so is equals to how much? So like this question, examination point of view, just you can simplify. 7.6.3. So you write first 7 plus 6 minus 3. This has one set. So to do calculation simple, I am telling. Next 0.53, no? So 53 by 99 it is, plus 0.4. That means 04 by 99, because 0404. 04 by 99 means 4 by 99. And minus this is 24 by 99. This is one set. Now 7 plus 6, 13 minus 3. So 10 plus same denominators. So 53 plus 4, 57 minus 24, so 33 by 99. That is 10 plus 33 times 3 is 1 by 3. So 31 by 3 is answer. We can do calculation in simple way. Okay. This is the method and pattern you can apply. The converting any recurring decimals to the fractions, you can use this method.